Hi everyone. Today we'll be starting with Unit 1 of 4th standard. Okay, Unit 1 Geometry. Okay, properties of 2D shaped objects. What learn names of shapes like triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, circle. Okay, there is a play here. Okay, there is a picture, right? Karan and his parents. This guy is Karan, and these two are Appa and Amma. Okay, parents, father and mother. Went to village. He saw some play articles. Okay, they went to some village festival and he saw some play articles. He can identify the shapes of some articles. Okay, he was not able to identify few things. We help him to identify the shapes. Can you guess the shapes of these things? Okay, recognizing these shapes in the objects around them. A shape that can be drawn on a plane surface is called plane figure. So this shape is square. This one is rectangle. Square means which is having equal lengths at all sides. Okay, all sides are equal for a square, whereas rectangle the opposite sides are equal. Okay, length and breadth are not same. When length and breadth of a rectangle is same is equal, then it becomes square. Okay, this is triangle which has three sides. Okay, and this one is circle, has no sides. Half of the circle is called semicircle, and which has five sides is called pentagon. Okay, this pentagon has five sides: one, two, three, four, five. Right? Ask the children to go around and list down all the shapes of polygons, quadrilateral, circle, semicircle, etc., and sort out them. Tell the children to draw different shapes on the ground. When teacher announces one shape, all the students stand in a particular shape. Oh, this cannot be done online. Okay. Now exercise 1. Write down the names of shape in the following pictures. Hmm. This one is circle. No, not rectangle. Circle. Circle. Let's reduce the size. Okay. Enough. This is circle. Okay. Next one. This one is square. Hmm. Write the number of squares and triangles in the given picture. How many number of squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 5 squares are there. So you need to write 5. Okay. Let's reduce its size. Okay, 5. Triangles 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only, right? 4 only visible. Yeah, 4 only. 4. Okay. Write the number of rectangles and triangles in the given picture. Number of rectangles and triangles. This is one rectangle, this is another rectangle, 2. This one is third one. Okay. So altogether there are 3 rectangles. It has three rectangles. What about triangles? Only one is visible, right? Yes, it has only one triangle. Identify the cut shapes and write the names in the boxes given below. Identify the cut shapes, and this is pentagon, right? Whichever is cut, that is pentagon. Okay, let's leave it here. Draw the circles using objects like bangles, coins, etc. Place a bangle or coin on a piece of paper, trace along its boundary till your pencil reaches the starting point. Yeah, it becomes circle. Okay, I hope everybody knows this. Okay, these activities you do whenever you get leisure time. Okay, all closed four sides figures are called quadrilaterals, which has four sides. Okay, that means your square and rectangle all all will come into that category, quadrilateral. Okay, so this if this is the cut picture, then it becomes quadrilateral, which has four sides. Okay, square, rhombus, okay, rectangle, trapezium. Okay, is it trapezium? No, trapezium. And this is parallelogram. Okay, square has four equal sides. In this picture, the sides are PQ, QR, RS, SP. Okay, four vertices PQ, R, and S, and two diagonals PR and QS. Two diagonals are equal. Okay, equal in length. Example: carom board, chess board, one face of the dice. Okay, since dice is a 3D object, one face is a square. Okay, rectangle has four sides: W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, 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 W. Okay, four vertices W, X, Y, Z, two equal diagonals W, Y, X, Z or Z, X. The opposite sides are equal. W, X equal to Y, Z, X, Y equal to W, Z. Examples: a doormat and a blackboard. Rhombus has four equal sides, just like your square. Okay, four vertices L, M, and O. Two diagonals are also equal, L and N, M, O. Oh, sorry. Four equal sides, right? Four vertices. He's saying diagonals are not equal in length. Let's say this one for the future discussion. Okay. Parallelogram has four sides. E, F, F, G, G, H, and H, G. Opposite sides are parallel and are equal. E, H, and G, F both are F, G are both are parallel and they are equal. Okay, and E, H, and F, G are equal. E, F, and H, G are equal. Okay, or G, H, whatever it may be. All closed four-side figures are called quadrilaterals. A dash has four equal sides and equal diagonals. This is square. Opposite sides of a dash are equal. Rectangular equal. A dash has no sides. Circle has no sides. Diagonals are equal in square and rectangle. Okay. This activity you do when you get leisure time. How to draw a circle using compass. Follow these four simple steps. You can draw the circles. What is radius? From center, okay, to the outer edge is called radius. OV is radius, OC is also radius, OE is also radius, OD is also radius, OA is also radius. Okay, and they are all equal in length. These line segments which are drawn are called chords. Okay, XY, LM, AB, and the longest chord is nothing but diameter. Okay, and radius is half of the diameter. Find the diameter of the circle. Whose radius is 5 cm. So 5 into 2, 10 cm. Okay. Find the radius of the circle whose diameter is 88 cm. Radius is 88 by 2. How much? 44 cm. Measure the radius and diameter of the following circles. Come on, you can do it. Okay. Measure it and write it here. All the radii of a circle are equal, right? The dash is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. A line segment joining any point on the circle to its center is called dash of the circle. Radius of the circle. Line segment with its endpoints on the circle is called a chord. Twice the radius is diameter. Find the diameter of the circle. 20 here, 16, 12. Find the radius of the circle. 12 centimeter, 15, 38 centimeter. Square, 4 sides are equal, 4 widths, 2 diagonals are equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal, 4 widths, 2 diagonals are equal. Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, 4 widths, 2 diagonals are equal. 2 diagonals are not equal. Parallelogram, 2 diagonals are not equal. Okay, parallelogram not equal. Rhombus, 4 sides are equal, 4 widths, 2 diagonals are not equal. A line segment joining any point on the circle to its center is called radius. A line segment with its end points on the circle is called chord. Chord passing through the center of the circle is called diameter. Right. When a chord passes through the center of the circle, it eventually becomes the diameter. That you can check. Okay. The diameter is the longest chord. Identify the sides and find perimeter of quadrilateral. The perimeter is the sum of the all sides of a closed figure. Okay. Finding the sides and perimeter of the following figure. What is the perimeter here? You need to add all these 4. 8, 2 plus 8, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 3, 19 cm. In a given square, all the sides are equal. So 8 into 4, 32 cm is the perimeter. In a given rectangle, opposite sides are equal. If this is 9, that also becomes 9. If this is 3, that also becomes 3. So perimeter is nothing but 9 plus 3 into 2. 12 into 2, 24 cm. Fine. 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21 cm. This is equilateral triangle. Now find the perimeter of the table, desk, blackboard and door in your classroom. That you do when you go to class. Okay. The perimeter of the following figure. 11 plus 3, 14 plus 2, 22 cm. 10 plus 7, 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 5, 24 cm. 14, 7 plus 4, how much? 11, 22 cm. This is 44 cm. This is right. 15 plus into 2, 30 cm. The side of the square shaped sandbox in Gandhi Park measures 30 cm. Determine the perimeter of the sandbox, 120 cm. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose sides are 12 and 8. 12 plus 8, 20 into 2, 40 cm. Find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are 13 plus 5 plus 14. Add these three up, 18. 18 plus 10, 28 plus 4, 32 cm. 32 cm is the perimeter. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 6 cm and 7 cm. What is the perimeter of the parallelogram? Add these two, 13. 13 into 2, 26. So 26 cm is the perimeter of the parallelogram. The sides of the trapezoid measures 8, 7, 4, 5. Okay, respectively. What is the perimeter of the trapezoid? What is the perimeter? Sides are given, right? No, add all sides. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 5, 24. Okay. Uses of tangram in combining different 2D shapes. Old Chinese puzzle consisting of 5 or 7 geometrical pieces called tans put together to form objects. Join the 7 pieces of tangram to form the following picture. Arrange the tangram pieces by using Maths Kit. Fill the space with the given 2 or 3 geometrical shaped tiles. Let us choose and arrange these tiles to form meaningful shapes. What can we fill a circle with square tiles? No, we can't fill a circle with square tiles because circle is curved figure. Right. Fill the appropriate tiles. Fill the given region with appropriate tiles with both intuitively and experimentally. Which tile can you choose to fill the space given below, and how many tiles are needed to fill the given space? Okay. See, see, what is the area? 15 into 10, 150 cm, right? This area is 6, this area is 4, this one is 10. Okay, right. Which tile can you choose and how many tiles are needed? Clearly, B you cannot choose because it is square, right? You should not choose a square. Fine. Mm, mm. This one also will not fit. See, 2 times 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So this one only will fit. Okay, you have to choose this one only, otherwise it cannot be, this cannot be completely filled. Okay, in order to fill the space completely, you need to choose this one only. Okay, you can place this kind of things. 150 divided by 6, how much? 150 divided by 6, 6 2 0 12, 5, 25. So 25 tiles are needed. Okay, when you keep 2 3 2 3 like this, here how many needed? 5 are needed. Here also 5 are needed. 5 5 are 25 will completely occupy this space. Okay, if you go for this, what is the problem? The problem is with 3 tiles you can fill this one. Okay, right. Hmm. You can fill this one with sorry, 3 tiles. Fine. 5 on this way. Okay, 5 3 is 15. 15 into 10. This one also will work. No problem. These both will work. This will take 25. This will take uh, 15. 15 tiles. Either 15 tiles of this or 25 tiles of this can be used to fill the space. Okay, and this will not work. Okay, When you are filling with a rectangle, you should choose rectangle only. Square will not fit. Which shape can you choose to fill the space given below and fill the following table? Triangle, will it exactly fit the space provided or not? No. Or rectangle, okay. 6 cm and 5 cm. 6 cm and 5 cm. 6 6 are 36, 5 3 are 36. 30 only, right? 30. This is 30. 15 to 18. 18 has to work, right? 3 here, 6 here, 3 here, 18. This one is 18. Yeah, it can completely fill. 18. Okay. You have to reduce the size. Right. Will it completely fill? Yes, it will completely fill. No problem. Why no problem? This is also rectangle, that is also rectangle, right? And the areas, see the areas, they are exactly divisible. 15 into 36 divided by 6 into 5 is nothing but 18. Okay. Square side 6 cm. 6 cm means 36. 6 cm. If you place 6 squares here, it will it will fill completely in the along the length. What about breadth? Let's see. This is 6, right? So it can't be used to fill the entire space. Okay. So 6 can be placed here and with 2 rows. 2 rows means how many? 12. So 12 can be placed inside, but like I said earlier, it will not fill the whole space. Okay. Rectangle 5 cm and 12 cm. 5 cm and 12 cm. If 5 is length, I'm sorry, we cannot use it. If 5 is breadth, that is fine. Okay. If 5 cm is the breadth and 12 cm is the length, yes. Then also it cannot be used to fill complete area. No, 12 3 is 36, right? And this one 5 cm. 15 by 5, 3, right? 3, 3. 9 are sufficient in that case. Okay. If 12 is the length and 5 is the breadth, then you can use 9. Yes, it will completely fill up the space. Okay. 6 and 18. 6 and 18 won't work in that way. Okay, 18, 18. 2 can be used. Okay. 6, 6. 18 2 is 6 2 ja. That means 4 will go inside, but it won't fill the entire space. Okay, so this is no. Fine. 3 cm and 12 cm. 12 12 12. Okay, that will go. 5 3 means 5, right? If 12 cm is the length and 3 cm is the breadth, yes, you can do. This is 3, this is 3, 9 only. Oh, this is 5, 3 cm is 5, 5 5 3 is 15, so this one is 15. Okay, yes, it entirely covers the space, no problem. Triangle 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. And the weight is 50, 100. Triangle case, we can't use it to fit the entire area. Okay, let's not bother much about how many can be filled. Okay, let's go to 3D objects straight away. Create the 3D objects using clay and paper folding. Cube has 6 planes. Okay, what are those plane faces? What are those faces? 1 2 3, at the back 4. Okay, top 5, bottom 6. Okay, and it has 12 edges. Oh, these are edges, 1 2 3 4, like that. 4 here, 4 at the back, 8. Okay, 9 10 11 12. 12 edges and 8 vertices, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, example: dice, ice cubes, building blocks, Rubik's. Cuboid has 6 plane faces like your cube, 12 edges also, and 8 vertices. Opposite faces are equal. This one is equal to this one. This one equal to this one. Example: matchbox, bricks, aerated book, toothpaste box. Okay. Sphere has only one curved surface. It has no vertices, no and edges. Okay. Example: shot put, ball, globe, laddu. Cone. Cone has one plane face, okay, and one curved surface. This is plane. No, this is plane. This is curved. It has one vertex. This one is the vertex. Cone ice cream, Joker's cat are the examples. Cylinder has two plane faces and one curved surface. These two are plane faces and this one is curved. And then this is plane. Example: straw, gas cylinder, pipe. Fold and form a cube from the following nets. That you do. Use these nets to form a cuboid. That also you do. Make a cone with this semicircle. Make the cone with semicircle. Yes. If you go from here to the end, it will become cone. Make a cylinder using rectangle sheet. That also you have to do. Cuboid has dash edges, 12 edges. The shape of dice is like a cube. Dash has a curved surface and two plane surfaces. Sorry, has a curved surface and two plane faces. Cylinder. I have one vertex and one plane face. I am a cone. Cube has dash vertices. 8. Oh, let's go here. Yeah, 8. Compare and differentiate 2D and 3D objects. Definition: 2 dimension. This is 3 dimension. Dimension length and breadth only in 2D. In 3D, length, breadth, and height. Okay, length, width, and height. Square, rectangle, circle, triangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, quadrilateral are examples. Here, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. Find out 2D and 3D objects from the given pictures. 2D, 3D, 2D, 3D, 2, 3, 3D, 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 2D, 2D. This is also 2D, 3D, 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 2D, 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 3D. Oh, we successfully finished lecture number 1. Okay, thank you guys. Nandri, Vanakkam.